Top 5 Best Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best digital oscilloscope multimeter? If you received a new digital oscilloscope multimeter, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best digital oscilloscope multimeters on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The ZT703 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter is a professional tool with a 48 ms/s real-time sampling rate and 10 MHz analog bandwidth, allowing high accuracy in measuring DC/AC voltage, current, capacitance, and resistance. It features a 2.8-inch HD color display, data hold, true RMS, and auto/manual operation modes. CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, it offers waveform storage, a 65 kilobyte recording length, and low battery alert. Its ABS-TPE construction ensures durability for fieldwork, making. Number 2. The ANENG AOS02 Digital Oscilloscope is a compact tool for accurate waveform analysis and testing. It has a real-time sampling rate of 48 ms/s and a 10 MHz bandwidth, ensuring precise measurements for various electrical tasks. It features a high-resolution display, supports waveform capture rates up to 30,000 WFM/s, and has a 64 kilobyte recording length. CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, it's ideal for transistor testing, DIY projects, and professional troubleshooting. Its demountable battery ENSU. Number 3. The ZOYI ZT703 is a 2-in-1 handheld digital oscilloscope and multimeter designed for automotive and electrical diagnostics. It offers reliable waveform analysis and precise measurements with a 10 MHz bandwidth and real-time sampling rate of 48 ms/s. With a single digital channel and 64 kilobyte record length, it can capture up to 30,000 waveforms per second. The 2.9-inch display with 320 by 240 resolution ensures clear readings. Certified by FCC, it supports demountable batteries for extended. Number 4. The ZOYI ZT703 is a compact, portable device that combines a digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator for comprehensive electrical testing. It features dual digital channels and a real-time sampling rate of 280 ms/s, providing precise waveform analysis. Made in mainland China, it is ideal for electricians and DIY enthusiasts, offering professional-grade performance and reliability. It is perfect for diagnosing and troubleshooting various electrical systems with ease. Number 5. The DS03D12 3-in-1 Handheld Digital Oscilloscope by Maturk is a versatile tool for professional and DIY electrical work. It offers precise waveform analysis and signal generation with a 120 MHz bandwidth, 250 ms/s sampling rate, and dual channels. Its 128 kilobits record length ensures comprehensive data storage and a 3.0 to 4.9-inch display for real-time monitoring. CE certified, built with durable materials, it is ideal for diagnostics, troubleshooting, and circuit testing. Thanks for watching the video.